Hey, what's up, guys? The manufacturer sent me this weather strip for free so I could check it out, do a review for you, and let you know what I think about it. So let me go ahead and crack it open and tell you what I'm going to try it out on. So you can see behind me here um, is my exhaust for my AC that I have in my bedroom. So typically when I think about weather strip, I think about it as more like a winter thing to keep the cold out. But for me, I want to use it right now to help block this gap that I have, because right now it just lets anything, like if there's bugs or whatever that want to come in my room, they can. It also lets the cold air that I'm paying to pump into my room, lets it escape. So I'm going to try this stuff out and see how it fits here. So just up close, I think the dimensions of this stuff, it's about a ½ inch by ½ inch wide. It has a, this built-in sticky back here. So I think to me, that's one of the most important things, is how well does this stick? And then again, how well does it actually seal? So you can see I actually have a pretty big difference. So down in this exhaust panel here, it's tight against my window, but up top I have a gap all the way to the outside. So my hope is that this is has enough give to it that it will very easily fill this gap without keeping my window pushed open because of the tightness down here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to really easily roll that back and stick it to this here. And you can see it actually is doing a really nice job at holding on. Right on time too. I don't know if you hear that thunder, but we're getting a really bad storm rolling in. So now just grab my knife and I'm just going to cut it. Looks like it should be pretty easy to cut. That's it. Tuck it in there. Definitely it's holding on really well, so that's cool. And then I'll slide my window shut. Oops. And position that back up again. And then I had a lock for my window to push in place. And yeah, hopefully you can see it in the camera, but it actually did like squish down enough in this spot here, so where it's tight, but it also was thick enough to really close that gap up top. So I mean, any type of application like that, I think it's really cool. It looks like a good product.